To maximize efficiency while minimizing cooking time, it is always recommended to allow the product to finish its cooking cycle before opening the steamer door. If the door is open during a cooking cycle, a time adjustment may be necessary, depending on how long and often the steamer door was opened. If you must check the food during a cooking cycle, first place the steamer in hold mode. Stand back while slowly opening the door and allow the cooking chamber time to release its steam. Once the steam has been released, carefully check the food, close the door, and set the timer for additional cooking time if needed. Once your cooking cycle is complete, the Steam-N-Hold will automatically enter the hold mode. At this point, a buzzer will sound, alerting the operator that the cooking cycle has finished. A slight manual adjustment to the hold position on the timer is needed to turn off the buzzer. The hold temperature is determined by the thermostat and can be adjusted manually by the operator. In thermostat mode, this will be the same as the cooking temperature unless manually adjusted by the operator. For continuous holding, simply rotate the timer counterclockwise to the hold position. Then select the desired hold temperature and press the on button. If the cooking chamber is not already up to temperature, we recommend that you preheat the cooking chamber to the desired holding temperature first. When cleaning your Steam-N-Hold steamer, here are some very important things to remember. Do not use a water jet or pressure washer to clean the steamer. Do not use abrasive materials such as wire brushes, abrasive cleansers, metal scouring pads, or scrapers to clean the chamber. Products of this type will scratch the chamber and allow mineral and food particles to accumulate. Never leave a deliming agent in contact with the stainless steel longer than 10 minutes before rinsing the chamber thoroughly with water. Longer contact can cause corrosion and metal fatigue. At the end of each day, the Steam-N-Hold should be drained and cleaned. To clean, first turn the Steam-N-Hold off, then open the door and allow the steamer to cool down for at least 15 minutes or until the chamber reaches a temperature below 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Be sure that a full-size steam table pan with a minimum depth of 4 inches has been placed beneath the Steam-N-Hold in the pan rail slides. Then, carefully open the drain valve to allow water to drain from the cooking chamber. Please use caution when draining a warm or hot steamer. Now discard the water in the drain pan. Using a mild detergent, clean the cooking chamber along with the low water sensors. Rinse thoroughly with fresh water and drain again. Then dry the cooking chamber with a cloth and leave the door ajar. In addition to daily cleaning, a more extensive weekly cleaning is also recommended. Once a week, after you're finished cooking for the day, drain the steamer and fill the cooking chamber with 2 gallons of water and 1 cup of white vinegar. Once you've done this, turn the steamer on for 30 minutes at the maximum temperature in thermostat mode, which will be 200 degrees, or set the switch to the fast cook position. Once the cycle is complete, allow the water and vinegar mixture to cool at least 15 minutes, or until the chamber reaches a temperature below 140 degrees Fahrenheit. When it has cooled, empty the water into the drain pan and discard. Replace the drain pan onto the pan rail slides. Rinse the cooking chamber thoroughly with fresh water and drain. Remove the pan rails from inside the chamber and either dry them with a cloth or run them through a dishwasher. With the pan rail slides removed, dry the cooking chamber. Replace the clean pan rails and leave the door open overnight. Now let's explore a few helpful cooking tips that are intended to help you get the most out of your Steam-N-Hold steamer. Here are a few suggestions to speed up cooking times. When cooking products, always remember to use the shallowest pan possible. Not only will this speed up cooking times, it will also allow your food to cook more evenly. Use a perforated pan whenever possible. This ensures that steam will flow through the product and will result in faster cooking times and more even pan-to-pan cooking. Break up large batches of product. Instead of cooking 10 pounds of frozen vegetables in one 4-inch pan, use 2 2.5-inch pans. And if possible, do not cover the product. The Steam-N-Hold steamer will add very little moisture to the products you're cooking. Covering the products will increase their cooking times. Want to test how little moisture the Steam-N-Hold really adds to your products? Try cooking a cake in the steamer. For recipes, see the Accu-Temp recipe book online at Accu-Temp.net or call your sales representative at 800-210-5907 for your free copy. When the cooking cycle is complete, do not turn the Steam-N-Hold off. Instead, turn the steamer to the hold mode. This will speed up cook times by eliminating a preheating cycle. If you're using fast cook mode and are not holding products, turn the holding temperature all the way up to 200 degrees. This is ideal for a la carte cooking and high volume batch cooking, as it ensures the chamber stays at 200 degrees and will start cooking your product within seconds of setting the timer. Try cooking roast beef, turkey, pork roast, or chicken at low temperature overnight in your Steam-N-Hold. This saves time and labor costs while increasing product yield.